recovery time is needed after a hair transplant. So recovery time for FUE or Bio-DHT hair transplant is generally around 2 weeks. But most of my patient goes back to their work within just 3 to 4 days. During the recovery period, you need to follow the aftercare instruction given by the doctor. Are there any risk or side effects? Apart from a normal swelling and a minor discomfort, there are no known side effects from the procedure. As with any surgical procedure, in rare cases, there may be minor risk of infection and bleeding, which can be easily treated. So it's not a frank bleeding which you can see, but most of the time it is just the normal saline oozing out, which is blood stain, and patient gets scared. But then our contact number, my number is given to all the patients when we do the surgery, so that if you have any problems, you can contact directly and on my number and have your doubts clear. How long will it take to see the result? So that is one question asked by every patient. Hair grows around 1 centimeter per month. It may take around 4 to 5 months to see the noticeable result about your new hairline and the grafts, hair grafts covering your previous bald areas. Your final looks and the result of your hair transplant will be seen after about almost 16 to 18 months. How much does it cost? So hair transplant cost depends on the grafts we are doing, on how many roots we have to transplant, which kind of method we are doing. Contact us for free consultation and we can actually help you with that. Will my hair transplant look natural? We are a master in creating a natural hairline. Been doing so many years. So we almost say your hair transplant, you take out any patient of us, you meet them, you see them, they will look totally natural. That's where DNCC is very famous for hairline designing, giving the natural hairline, and giving assurance that you will definitely get the result. Also, we need to follow up with the doctor's advice with PRP treatment, with IPRF treatment, or with HRT treatment, and with the US FDA approved medicines. So, will I need to shave my head for the procedure? Yes, you will need to shave the head, but do not do it yourself in our clinic. After doing the hairline marking, we will be doing the shaving for you so that we can take out the nice thick hair graft, and what all graft we have to take out we can see, and where we have to give you more density we have to see that. Will I need more than one hair transplant procedure? Yes, if you have, say, more than 5,000 grafts required, then you may need to go for 2 to 3 sessions. So we can do, if you have a good donor area, we can do 2 sessions, one by one day. Like say today we have done 2,500 grafts. Next day we call you again and we do the rest of the grafts. What is the success rate of the hair transplant procedure? On an average, in our DNCC, the result with FUE is almost 85 to 90%, and with the Bio-DHT, we give assurance of 95 to 98%. Can anyone go for hair transplant surgery? So we analyze your scalp. Once we analyze for your scalp how many roots are needed, we go through your medical history. If you have any comorbidities like diabetes or blood pressure or any heart related problems or any other problems, we first analyze everything and then we do the blood test, preoperative checkups, and then we give the test dose of the anesthesia we use. So everything is done in a very systematic manner in DNCC, so that to avoid any complication further after the surgery. We have done more than 50 patients with even heart stent. With angiography we have done more than 500 patients with diabetes, where we take care of the diabetes first. We take their sugar level under the control by referring to a diabetologist, and then go for the surgery once the HbA1c level comes down, and then we do the surgery. So what is the difference between your clinic and other clinics? Why should I choose the DNCC? I answered already. We have an experienced team doing the surgery, last 19 years of experience, and we assure for just one promise that until you get your hair back, you are with us. Whatever we promise, say we have promised you to do 2000 graft, and we give that 2000 graft result. Until then, you are with us. How many hair transplant surgeries we have done till now? We have done more than 7,500 so successful hair transplant, and right now our number changes every day. So if you keep looking at our website, you will get to know how many routes we have done till now. It's already across 2 crore and 20 lakh routes till now in our DNCC. All the best. Come to us if you have a hair loss, and we are there to help you. Thank you so much.